Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume of your TikTok videos in 2021. It's a video and guide that works on an Android device and on an iPhone. So if you actually appreciate that, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing we want to do is actually record a TikTok video, for example, just like this one. And when we click the check mark right here, we have some options, one of which is sound. So we want to add a sound, for example, this one, just for this example, we tap on the sound, tap the check mark, and here, how do we actually adjust this sound? Well, you want to click on the little arrow here at the right corner. Here it is, and you have volume. But when you click volume, you actually have two options. Which one is the volume of the music and which is the volume of your sound or whatever noise you're making? Well, this is my sound. So if I talk in the video, this is what I need to adjust. And this is actually the music. So if I'm dancing and you don't want any sound effects from me dancing, this bar should be down and the other one should be up. So this is how it works. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like and I want to see you in the next one.